To fix that your SIM is in an invalid status error on Straight Talk, several solutions can be tried. One common reason for this error is that the SIM card is not properly installed. If the SIM card is not seated correctly, it may not be recognized. To fix this, the device should be turned off, the SIM card removed, and then carefully reinserted, ensuring it is properly aligned and fully seated. After restarting the device, check if the error still occurs. Another possible cause is network or coverage issues, such as poor network coverage or temporary outages, which can disrupt the SIM card's connection. In this case, refreshing the connection between the device and the network by performing a power cycle can help. Turn the device off, wait 30 seconds, and then turn it back on. If the issue persists, it may be necessary to contact Straight Talk to verify if there are any network issues in the area. In some cases, the SIM card itself may be faulty, in which case inspecting the card for damage and visiting a Straight Talk store for a replacement may be the solution. By trying these steps, that your SIM is in an invalid status error on Straight Talk can be resolved.